To deploy Uniswap v2 contract, you first need to understand the basics of Ethereum smart contracts and the Uniswap protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates automated liquidity provision on the Ethereum blockchain. The first step is to set up your development environment, which includes installing Node.js, NPM, and Truffle Suite. Truffle Suite is a set of tools that make it easy to build, test, and deploy smart contracts. Next, you need to install the Uniswap v2 contracts using NPM or GitHub. You can find the Uniswap v2 contract repository on GitHub, which includes all the necessary contracts and scripts for deployment. After setting up your environment and installing the necessary contracts, you need to compile the Uniswap v2 contracts using the truffle compile command. This will generate the necessary ABI and bytecode files for deployment. Once the contracts are compiled, you can deploy them to a test network such as Rinkaby or Ropson, or to the main Ethereum network. You will need to have an Ethereum wallet with some Ether to pay for the deployment gas fees. To deploy the contracts, you can use the truffle migrate command, which will deploy the contracts to the specified network. You will need to specify the network and the wallet that you want to use for deployment. After deployment, you can verify the contracts on a blockchain explorer such as Etherscan to ensure that they have been deployed correctly. You can also use the Uniswap v2 protocol to create a liquidity pool and start trading tokens. Best practices for deploying Uniswap v2 contracts include testing the contracts thoroughly before deployment, using a secure wallet and following security best practices to protect your Ethereum wallet and contracts. In conclusion, deploying Uniswap v2 contracts requires a good understanding of Ethereum smart contracts and the Uniswap protocol, as well as a set of development tools such as Truffle Suite. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can successfully deploy Uniswap v2 contracts and start using the Uniswap protocol.